Yeah. I would have shot him.
Oh,
It's
look
like
in the
an
mirror.
internet.
Show mommy. No. Oh, it's so pretty. Look in the mirror. Yeah. Oh, yep. There's Shrek. Oh, darn Shrek.
Addison Marie. Ah!
Get your kisses, Grandpa.
Hey, look at your chin. Oh, no. That's trouble. There's a lot of noises that come out of that hole right there. Oh, sorry.
That's so pretty. Look in the mirror. Looky. Who's that? There's two of you.
That's funny.
Come here. Can I have a hug and kiss? Hug and kiss? Oh. Pretty girl. Where's your bag? You have prizes to get here. Okay. Tell Granny trick or treat. Give me presents. Okay. Here, Addison. Put this in your bag.
No, over here.
Addison.
Over here.
Come here. Let me put your prizes. Oh, wait. You gotta get your bag. Here you go. Here, Addison. 1.
Hey, that's heavy.
2. Here. Put it in here. Good girl. Here's another one. Oops. 3.
Here, Mr. Watch, I took a picture.
Okay. Lucky.
Yeah, Shrek.
This is for you. Oh.
Is that cheese?
Let's go over here where you can see your
She
face.
doesn't want to eat that right now, but
No, she's not. Pretty. Ah. Here, take a little taste. Give me your finger. Take a taste.
I have trouble walking there. Oh, it melted. More.
I'm just not quite getting this thing of getting all the prizes.
The melted cupcake. Smells good.
Shop and save. Okay, wait, there's more treats. Go get your bag. Get your bag.
Here, more trees.
Here. Well, take it.
Here, get your bag. Get your bag. Here. Where are you going? Here. Mommy, here. Here. Show Grandpa. Wait, here's more. Now don't do that yet. We're doing treats.
She wants to dance.
Here. Gonna slap you. You don't see what I'm trying to do. Here, thanks, Tim.
What do you think she was doing? There we go.
Time to do it again.
We were doing that the other day. Every time she looked at the mirror, I bring her closer. Unbelievable.
Have you seen anybody else dressed up yet?
No.
You do it. You do it.
Can we wear that on her every day next week?
Sure.